I'm answering all your shampoo bar questions today. This can be whether you are unsure of whether you want to switch to a shampoo bar or not, or if you already have made the switch and you just want to know a little bit more about your bar. All our bars are perfectly safe to use on colour treated hair, and this is because of some ingredients we use such as cocoa butter, as they actually coat and protect your hair strand. So what happens when you have colour treated hair and the colour starts to fade is because the water strips your hair of colour. So cocoa butter actually coats your hair and prevents the water from getting in and stripping it. All our bars work on curly hair, but we do get the best feedback about the Mango Breeze. If you suffer from dandruff, we highly recommend our Eucalyptus Berry or the Peppermint Shine Bar. Eucalyptus and peppermint oil are natural remedies for the scalp. 100% vegan friendly, cruelty free, and we use naturally derived ingredients. So we actually have two different sizes of bars. We have one 2.4 ounce bar and one 3 ounce bar. Basically, the 2.4 ounce bar can last from average of 50 to 70 washes, and 3 ounce bar can last from 70 to 90 washes. This is completely dependent on your length of hair, how often you wash your hair, and how you store your bar. Keeping your bar out of running water is key. This will prolong its life, as when a bar sits in water, it will lose all its ingredients and nutrients, and also just like any other soap bar, it will just go soggy and get smaller quicker. Oh my god, they lather so well. And it takes a really small amount to wash your whole hair. So that aids in them lasting a longer period of time as well. Less is more, trust me, less is more. Now, products being pH balanced is usually because they need to counteract the acids used. Now, because of the way our bars are made, we don't need to do this process. The bars themselves are almost at a perfect 7 pH rating. We use SES, which is naturally derived from coconuts and not petroleum like SLS. SES has been determined a safe ingredient for health and the environment by many cosmetic watchdogs. This is because the molecules in SES are larger than SLS and cannot penetrate through the membrane. So once they've lathered on your hair and cleaned your hair, they literally go down the drain. All our bars are handmade in Ohio using a hand-pressed mold. These bars are perfect to use in hard water, and you will not get the buildup that you usually do with some shampoos. This is because we use ingredients such as lemon peel and lemon powder, and this eliminates the buildup in hair which is caused by natural deposits found in hard water. So we use a range of different natural clays, flowers, and seed powder. We use 100% compostable packaging. Even the labels are made from cornstarch and sugarcane. But don't try eating them, they're not as sweet as they sound. Our bars are fine to use on thinning hair. We do recommend the vanilla and coconut for thinning hair. You can either shave off a little bit of the conditioner bar, dissolve it in water and use it as a spray, or you can very lightly, as it's highly concentrated, rub it over your hands until you get a tiny amount of paste and then put it straight on your hair. I do this when my hair is wet, so there is a bit of water still on my hair. I hope I answered everyone's questions. If I've missed anything out, if I forgot any hair types, please leave a comment below, ask us any questions, send us an email, send us a DM on any of our social channels. We will get back to you as soon as we can. Remember to like and subscribe. We put out sustainable living videos every week. My name's Alice, and as always, this video is brought to you by Zero Waste Cartel.